Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Waimera Bluff, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers, we understand that long distance moving can be a stressful time. That's why we offer a wide variety of moving services to make your transition as smooth and seamless as possible. Our experienced and professional movers are trained to provide you with the most peaceful and stress free moving experience. With over 20 years of experience in the industry, we've seen it all, and we're prepared to make your moving day enjoyable. Do you feel anxious about relocating to your new apartment or office in the same city? There's a ton of work to be done, including loading, lifting, carrying, unpacking at your new residence. Do you spend most of your day looking for local movers near me? You won't accomplish anything by fretting about moving. Hiring 3 Movers, a reasonably priced professional moving firm, take time off from your laid off job. Our relocation estimates are without a doubt the most trustworthy and reasonably priced. We at Local Movers can handle everything from packing to setting up your stuff in your new home. We can move you in a single afternoon and travel short distances quickly. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Waimera Bluff moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.